In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create your PLP site if you weren't here last year. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to google.com and then sign in. Then you're going to go to this apps button and go down to sites. You can also just type in sites.google.com if that is your preference. Then you can press create and you'll want to go to browse gallery for more and select the PLP template. Go ahead and press select and make sure that this one remains red. Then you're going to type in the name of your website. So Jody's blog, Jody's PLP. Hopefully you can come up with something more clever than that. You can also customize your URL down here. So just make sure that it's something that identifies you to us and that it's school appropriate. And then you would press the create button. It's going to look like this, and notice that it's very boring. Okay, we made it that way on purpose, and this way you can go in and make whatever changes you want and make it reflect your personality. There is going to be a website that is going to be available for you, and it's going to tell you some different ways on how you can customize your page. So over here, the first thing that you're going to need to change is grade. Okay, it's not just going to say grade. You want to know what grade. So you're going to select that link and then press on the edit page button, this little pencil. Let's say you're in 7th grade. We'll go ahead and type in 7th, type in grade, and make sure you press save. And it's automatically going to update it over here on your navigation bar. Now, I'm just going to run through what each of these pages is going to be used for, and then there will be additional videos on how to actually use them. Okay, for your blog, this is where you're going to go to reflect on different things throughout the year. Hopefully, this is going to be an ongoing thing where you're going to reflect on how you felt about different assignments, how you felt about the day of code, suggestions on how do you think it could be run better, different things like that. Your teachers may also give you some writing prompts. So this is where you're going to go in order to do that. And it's going to be interesting to refer back to in future years, to look back at your 7th grade self and see what you had to say. It's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so then you're going to have your portfolio, and this is going to be a place where you're going to want to add different assignments that you're proud of. Okay, this is basically your brag page. You're going to name it, leave it named as portfolio, but this is where you're going to show off your stuff. And hopefully you won't just put in a bunch of links, because there is so many things that you can do. So I'm going to come here to skills for improvement. And this page is going to be used to basically have you reflect on your strengths, your weaknesses, and how you can improve on your weaknesses. Okay, so what you are going to do is go to add item, and you're going to type in whatever your strength may be. Let's say maybe you're really good at organization. Okay, maybe you're not so good at spelling. Okay, your teachers are going to give you some specific examples of what they expect. So this is just an example here. Now, what am I going to do to improve my weakness? Maybe I could study spelling for 20 minutes each night. What's something that you can actually commit to that's going to help you improve whatever that weakness is? And then at the end of the year, you'll come in and you'll add your follow-up. Did you improve on your spelling or did you not? Okay, it's important to be honest. So, but this is essentially teaching you how to set goals, and it's going to be really great practice for the future, because the only way to improve is to actually think about what you want to improve on. So at this point, if you want to share your link with your teacher, you would come here to the share button. And it's already set up here for how you want it. So actually, I'm going to go ahead and make one little change here. It's going to be anyone with the link can view. And that way your parents can look at it too. So when your teachers ask, this is where you're going to go to right-click and copy and paste that share site with your teacher, and you're good to go. Now, in order to customize your page further, you're just going to go to the website that is provided for you. So come see me or email me if you have any questions, and I will help you the best way I can. See you next time.